Hello in my factory. This is jaws of forwarder log bucket, and what I've done, I exchanged all of these 8 pieces, old ones here. I think it's no sense to fire this, and by gas oxygen torch I remove them. I make it a new one, and then by horizontal boring machine I machine it bores, and it's just finished, and in ratstyle I paint it. Yeah. Now it looks much better than it was. One thing what I'm not exchanged this side, here you can see is welded in repair bushing. From this side you can see a bushing, but this here is new, and this log grab bucket looks as brand new. Thanks for watching, good luck, and have a nice day.